Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today, we're taking a look at 3 stocks that have billionaire hedge fund managers spending millions. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today, we're taking a look at 3 stocks that have some top hedge funds spending millions of dollars on their stock. On top of that, these companies also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street. So we're going to take a look at them, what it is that they do, who's been buying shares, and of course what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. You can follow along over on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app, which you can download using the links in the description down below. Now let's jump right into these 3 strong buy stocks. First on the list today is Equifax. They trade under the ticker EFX, currently priced at $268 per share. In the past year, the stock has gained 14%, and in the last 3 months is up 4.5%. They do currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Equifax is a global data, analytics, and technology company, primarily known for being one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. They collect and maintain credit information on individuals and businesses, generating credit reports that detail credit history and payment behavior, as well as providing credit scores. They offer these analytics and decision-making tools to businesses, helping them assess risk, prevent fraud, and make informed decisions in areas like lending, marketing, and identity verification. In the last quarter, hedge funds increased their holdings by 1.8 million shares, resulting in a very positive hedge fund confidence signal, and that included a couple companies taking some large brand new positions and increasing existing positions. Equifax shared a very positive earnings report near the end of April. Not only did they have an earnings and revenue beat, they also announced a $3 billion share repurchase program and a 28% increase to their dividend. Q1 earnings per share of $1.53 beat estimates by 12 cents per share, while revenue climbed to $1.44 billion, which was up 4%. The company also successfully launched their Equifax Cloud. Following that quarterly report, we did have several analysts increase their price targets, including one from Bank of America. They said that they walked away from the Q1 results and calls with management with the view that Equifax's business model has become more resilient than in years past. They cited an increased conviction level and higher estimates for their raised price target. The Equifax stock does come in as a strong buy based on 14 current analyst ratings, breaking down to 11 buys and 3 holds. The average price target of $288 implies an upside potential of 7%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from a downside of over 3% to a high-end upside of over 15%. Our second stock today is Brookfield Corporation. They trade under the ticker BN, currently priced just shy of $59 per share. They've gained about 40% in this past year, and in the last 3 months are up over 11.5%. They currently score a 9 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Brookfield Corporation is a global investment firm focused on creating long-term wealth. They do this through 3 core business segments. Those are alternative asset management, wealth solutions, and operating businesses. The company has over $1 trillion of assets under management. Through its subsidiary, Brookfield Asset Management, they have over $925 billion investing in long-life, high-quality assets. They then also have their Brookfield Reinsurance with over $47 billion in asset under management and other operating businesses across renewable power and transition, infrastructure, private equity, and real estate. In the last quarter, hedge funds increased their holdings by 3.3 million shares. And that included a couple big names making some notable purchases. Bill Ackman's hedge fund Pershing Square increased their position to over $2 billion, and Acre Capital Management just over $1 billion. They shared their latest quarterly report near the start of May. Earnings per share did fall short of expectations, but they did have highlights in other areas. Earnings per share came in at 82 cents, which was 6 cents behind analyst expectations. Revenue did decline slightly year over year, but they saw an increase in distributable earnings by 30% and strong asset management performance. The company's wealth solution business also showed promising expansion and regulatory success. Following that earnings report, we did hear from an analyst at Scotiabank who increased their price target. The firm believes its positive thesis is gradually playing out as the company takes steps to change investor perception of it to a growth stock with a cheap valuation instead of a value stock. With 6 current analyst ratings, Brookfield Corporation does come in as a unanimous strong buy. And the average price target of $68 implies an upside potential of 16%. Looking at those price targets down below, quite a few analysts bumping up their price targets. They range from an upside of 12% to 22.5%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last but not least is SAP. Trading under the ticker SAP, they're currently priced at $310 per share, having climbed over 61% in this past year and gaining 11.5% in the last 3 months. They do currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score. SAP is a German multinational software corporation, specializing in enterprise software to manage business operations and customer relations. They're best known for their ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning software, which integrates various business functions into a unified system. They operate in sectors such as financial services, manufacturing, consumer industries, and public services. During the last quarter, hedge funds increased their holdings of SAP by 6.7 million shares, making it the largest of our bunch today. And that included some notable new positions from a few different hedge funds and Fisher Asset Management increasing their holding by 150% to nearly $3.5 billion. Taking a look at KPIs on the TipRanks AI analyst, we can see that their cloud backlog in the last quarter grew to over 18 billion euros. And the company reported a solid earnings and revenue beat. Earnings per share of $1.63 beat by 17 cents per share, while revenue climbed over 12% to 9 billion euros. The company saw product innovation with their business data cloud and had significant customer wins across major industries. And just a couple of weeks ago, we did have an analyst from BMO Capital increase their price target. The firm is positive on the customer and partner interest in BDC, while the management has reiterated views on longer-term revenue growth potential that could eventually reach mid-teens. The SAP stock has 7 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 6 buys and just 1 hold. The average price target of $325 implies an upside potential of about 5%. Looking at those price targets down below, they do range from a slight downside, less than 1%, to an upside of nearly 13%. So that is a quick look at 3 strong buy stocks that hedge funds have been buying up millions of lately. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and which one catches your eye the most. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.